In the heart of La Jolla Village and a quick walk to the Cove sits the stunning property 7570 Cabrillo Avenue. Boasting 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and over 3,400 square feet, including the newly built Ocean View Guest Suite, this spacious estate offers the perfect opportunity to enjoy coastal living in one of San Diego's most prized communities. Designed to perfection, this beautiful home features magnificent living spaces, complete with custom built-ins, numerous windows allowing light to fill the home, and an open layout perfect for entertaining. Gather with friends and family in the spacious family room, or perfect your favorite meal in the recently remodeled gourmet kitchen, fully equipped with a 4-chair large island, granite countertops, custom subway tile backsplash, and top-of-the-line appliances. Relax in the master retreat, complete with a bright sitting area showcasing glistening ocean views, a large walk-in closet, and a luxurious master bath with a double shower. A detached guest suite featuring a loft, wet bar, and sliding doors leading out to a large balcony with a mesmerizing ocean and pool view provides the perfect space to host friends and family. And with an ocean view rooftop deck, you can easily entertain and enjoy the sunset. Truly a buyer's dream, the resort-style backyard features a sparkling saltwater pool and spa with a large fire pit, a bull barbecue area with an in-counter ice chest and refrigerator, pool bathroom, and a surfboard shower ideal for rinsing off after a day at the beach. And with a large grassy play area and a playhouse with slide, chalkboard walls, and LED lights, the breathtaking backyard has definitely been kid-approved. The new 2-car garage comes equipped with epoxy flooring, a workbench, built-ins, and lots of storage. Spend the day strolling through the various shops and art galleries before dining at one of La Jolla's amazing restaurants or cafes, or enjoy a day at the beach. The walkability of local schools and world-class amenities makes this location the perfect place to call home.